in Taylor's International Hotel. So today I will conduct a training to you. But before I start, I want to know the background of yourself, and then can you introduce yourself in front of me? Can I start from you?
Hi, my name is Angel.
Yes, Angel.
I'm the new supervisor in Taylor's International Hotel.
Okay. May I know your previous background? I mean, like your experience. Do you have experience in the hotel before?
Yes, I was actually a housekeeping supervisor in a 3-star hotel before.
Okay, great. How about you, sir? What's your name?
My name is Michael. Previously, I worked in Shangri-La as a housekeeping supervisor as well.
Okay, great. Okay, so today I will conduct a training to you about housekeeping training. The task of this training is about guest supplies and how to calculate the par stock of all the amenities in our hotel. The objective of this training, I hope both of you, after doing this training, both of you able to know the difference of guest supplies, and both of you know how to calculate the par stock. And then for today, I will conduct to you the training using the PowerPoint slide. And then this is the lesson plan for today. Maybe you can have a look first. So why we need to do this training? Because I know that both of you is our new supervisor for our room attendant, right? Then this is very important training. Why? Because as a supervisor, you have to know what is the guest supplies that we provide to the guests inside the room. Besides that, both of you also need to know how to calculate the par stock in all amenities inside the room. Because both of you will control our equipment and our amenities in Taylor's International Hotel. I will give you the training according to the lesson plan. So, I will start now. Okay, this is the definition of guest supplies. The guest supplies is the item that conducive to the guest material to make comfort and convenience. Which is guest supplies. We will provide the guest supplies into the room. It will be make the guests feel comfortable and convenience. Next, there is 3 types of guest supplies. First is guest expendable, second is guest essential, and then the last one is guest loan item. I will explain to you one by one what is the difference of these 3 types of guest supplies. First is guest expendable. We have a look first. What is the definition of guest expendable? Guest expendable is basic supplies that are normally used or taken away by the guest. So, which is the guest can take away all the guest supplies that we provide inside the room. And then they can take various forms and it's more or less luxury depending on the type of the guest. So sometimes, not sometimes, I mean like in our hotel, all the guest supplies is different according to the level of the room. For the example is deluxe room. For deluxe room we provide a normal guest supplies. But for our executive room it will be different amenities. Maybe more luxury or more branded. Yes, this is the guest expendable. The example of guest expendable. Shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, bathroom slipper, and stationery. And then next is guest essential. Guest essential are intended to remain in the hotel after the guest depart, which is after the guest doing check out, we have to make sure that all the amenities, I mean like our guest essential things, is still in our room. Michael, can you give me one of the example of the guest essential?
Guest essentials in the hotel.
Yes.
Maybe
Something that like
a bed sheet.
yes, true. Bedsheet also is one of the type of guest essentials. Okay, I will show you what is the example of guest essential. Yes, this is the example of guest essential. There is hanger, ashtray, kettle, water glasses, and like what Michael said before, bedsheet also is a guest essential. Because the guests cannot bring it to their home and then they have to lay all the things still inside the room. And as a room attendant, we have to make sure all the things is still in the room. Next. Okay, this is the guest loan item. The guest loan item is a guest supplies that are normally not found in the room but are commonly available when guests request it. Okay, this is the example: ironing board and phone charger. Then sebelum kecepatan dikat tadi kalian. Every room have different guest loan item. For the example is ironing and iron board. Like executive suite or executive deluxe, we always provide them the standard iron and ironing board. But for our normal superior room, we never provide this kind of thing in the room. So which is that we have to give to them if they are requiring, I mean that they are requested to us, so we can borrow it for them. Same like phone charger. Phone charger is not common in room hotel, but we still provide it if they request it from us. So that we can call as a guest loan item. Yes, I want to give you what is the example of our amenities for bathroom in our deluxe room. This is the standard of amenities. As a supervisor of room attendant, you have to know it. First is a comb, and then toothbrush, shampoo, and conditioner. Oh yeah, one more thing, for the toothbrush, we always provide 2 toothbrushes every room. Why? Because normally the guests will come together. I mean like there is 2 persons inside the room. So we have to provide the toothbrush 2 sets. And then there's soap, face towel, same like toothbrush, we have to provide them 2 sets. And then cotton buds, shower cap, hand towel, butt towel, and bath mats. For hand towel and butt towel is same like toothbrush and face towel. We provide them 2 sets so they can use their own. Like what I said before in lesson plan, I want to teach you how to calculate the per stop in our hotel. Before that, I want to tell you that the definition of per stop. Per stop is a widely used term which I standard way to determine a minimum level of supplies to meet daily demands of a daily hotel operation. So this is the minimum quantity that we have to have in our housekeeping storage or our hotel. So make sure the hotel operation can run smoothly. I have a question to you. This question is according to our hotel condition. So our Taylor's International Hotel right now has a 137 guest room, and it consists of 50 superior, 45 deluxe room, 30 executive deluxe, 10 rooms of executive suite, and 2 Taylor suite. And then the question is, what is the per stock of bathroom amenities for deluxe room. Bathroom amenities, I already told you before, right? For the deluxe room, I already give you the example. So right now, I will teach you how to calculate all the amenities as an hour per stock in our hotel. So this is the calculation. Like what I said before, for our deluxe room, we have comb, toothbrush, shampoo, conditioner, soap, shower cap, cotton bud, face towel, hand towel, bath towel, and bath mats. Normally, to calculate the per stock, we have to have a fourth set of amenities. The first set, usually we already using it inside the room. And then the second set, normally we putting in our storage. The third set, we putting in our laundry. And then the fourth set, we putting in our trolley. But it's different amenities we keep in different store. For the example, is a comb. Why I putting 45 set? Because our deluxe room has 45 deluxe room, so that's why I putting 45. And then the first set is for inside the room. And then the second set I putting in the storage of housekeeping. And then the third set maybe will be in our pantry. And then the fourth set maybe in our trolley. Different with the face towel and hand towel and bath towel or bath mats. Why different? Because usually we keeping all these things inside the laundry. So it's different amenities or different linen have a different keeping storage. And then why I putting the toothbrush is 90? What do you think, Michael?
Because there is two guests inside the room.
Yes, correct. Same like face towel, hand towel, bath towel, and bath mats. So after calculating, for per stock, the comb will be 180, which is this is the minimum. Okay, I have a question to you that you have to answer. This question that I want to know your level of understanding during my presentation or during my meeting. I mean like my training. So first question is, what is 3 example of guest loan item? Angel?
As you stated before, the examples of guest loan items could be ironing board.
Yes.
Or phone charger.
Yes. And iron.
Oh
yes. So there is 3 example of guest loan items. Thank you, Angel, for your answer. And then Michael, can you answer the second question? What is the 3 example of deluxe room but for our bathroom amenities?
For deluxe room, they have a toothbrush,
Yes.
face towel,
Face towel.
and hand towel.
Yes, correct. Thank you very much, Michael, for your answer. Thank you for your appreciate to really pay attention to my slide. And then I want to summary of this training. My training can able to know what is the difference of gas supplies and then the calculating of per stock. And then for next application, I hope both of you guys for this week I will give you job to calculate the per stock of our amenities in our hotel. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So for the future planning, for next 2 weeks, I will give you one more training, which is the topic is about safety and security as a room attendant. So I give you homework, not so much homework lah. I mean like I give you a job that can you like searching or browsing about the safety and security as a room attendant. So when you coming to next training, both of you already know some of the standard. So thank you very much for today. I hope that we can do our job together in the future plan. Thank you very much.
Thank you.